Thank you very much, Honourable Speaker. Thank the Honourable Member for the question. I just wanted to inform the House, Mr. Speaker, sir, that the process of the reintroduction of the scale has just been given the approval from Cabinet, that the public consultation be undertaken in terms of the reintroduction of the scaling of the national examination. But I'd like to share with us this morning the rationale in terms of the reasoning behind the need to reintroduce the scaling system in the national examination system. We intend to this scaling system to be introduced subject to Cabinet endorsement in the 2025 education year, after the completion of the consultation and policy adjustments and policy preparation at the school level to ensure transition. Why the introduction of the scaling system? Mr. Speaker, sir, first is makes a fair representation of student performances. As it was introduced, most of us have come through the scaling system before it was disbanded in 2015. It helps normalize examination scores to account for varying degrees of difficulty across subjects and exams. And also, number two, it addresses disparities. You see, Mr. Speaker, sir, most of the schools that are in the rural maritime areas, they seem to have lessen in terms of number of schools, because they tend to migrate towards the schools in towns and cities because of the thinking that the school system here would provide them better opportunities. So that is the reason why we are trying to reintroduce scaling system. Alignment with the international standards. Many countries use a form of scaling in their national examination system to ensure consistency and fairness. So therefore, by reintroducing the scaling system in Fiji, it is in alignment with the international best practices in student assessment, ensuring that the students' results are credible and comparable at a global level. So as I said, Mr. Speaker, sir, we have just been given the approval to conduct the public consultation exercise, and hopefully we will capture all the information that is said in the consultation process to be taken into consideration once it is reintroduced. Now, what do you?